missing someone. Without you, missing someone.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to make mango float dessert. We have here mango, cut up mangoes, we have condensed milk, we have all-purpose cream, and we have graham cracker. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's just pour our all-purpose cream here. And then now we're going to add our condensed milk. Let's just add that one, the whole condensed milk in there. And then just simply mix it. Okay. Alright, that would be it. And then we'll start arranging it. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is we'll lay down, let's lay that on the bottom, the graham cracker, and then we can just put some little, let's see, half of it, like so. And there you go. And then we're going to put our milk and our mango in here. You can just simply lay that flat like that. And we can then add our cream on top. Just add the cream. And then we can put the remaining now. Put it. Okay, so last minute decision, I decided I'm gonna put some teddy bear cookies right on top before I will put the crushed graham crackers. All right, let's arrange our teddy bear cookies right here. Oops, sorry. Let's just arrange like that. That would look good. Put it in the refrigerator, in the freezer rather, and put it there for like 4 to 6 hours, and that should be ready to go. And there you have it, our mango float. All right, after we put it in the freezer, this is ready to go. Cut it, our mango float. I think I'm gonna just cut it like this first. It's already soft because I put it out earlier. I think I'm gonna cut that one too. Because it was so hard when I first took it out from the freezer. Now it's going to be easier. Let's see. is our mango float. Mm. All right, let's do another one. Maybe this one is good. It wasn't cut perfectly earlier. Okay, this is perfect, I think. I want to do 2 of this. Oh, yes. Okay. There you have it, our final mango float. It tastes so good. I cannot wait to finish all of that. No, I'm just kidding. Just 1 or 2 pieces. All right, I hope you had a great time cooking with me or making this delicious mango float with cookies. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. Happy holidays. Thank you for watching.